Well, welcome back to fall weather. After a hot start to this month, temperatures back around average. Yesterday, we got down into the 50s for highs today, so that is a touch cool for this time of year, but a lot more seasonable than the 70s to 80s that we saw throughout a lot of last week or even lingering on into the start of the weekend. 50s to 60s will hold steady right about here through Thursday. So we got a nice little stretch of cool fall weather to enjoy now that temperatures have dropped back down again. As we approach sunset, a lot of cloud cover out there. It's looking kind of dark. We have temperatures in the 50s and a dry sky for now. There are some slight chances for some drizzly weather as we go throughout the rest of this evening. You can see that reflected here on Exact Track radar. We're pretty dry and quiet now, but there are some showers to our northeast. Some of these may spiral in overnight, so you might hear a quick little shower overnight, with a lot of that rain, though, gone by tomorrow. So here's future track. We do stay dry throughout the rest of this evening. If anything, a little spotty rainfall starts up a little closer to 11 o'clock. Closer to sunrise, that's when we have our best chance for some hit or miss light showers, and an emphasis here on hit or miss. A lot of us are going to end up staying dry tonight, but we will definitely take what we can get because we have been awfully parched over the last several weeks with barely any rainfall. Anything after sunrise, though, will be off to our east, so we avoid any kind of substantial or soaking rain. If anything, it might just be enough to produce just a couple raindrops, but don't be surprised if you hear a shower late overnight. So for tonight's forecast, the clouds and a few showers may help hold temperatures up a little bit. It acts as a bit of an insulating effect, so we don't drop below freezing just yet. That's coming later this week. Still, a chilly night and a chilly sunrise ahead, as we do have gusty winds up to about 20 miles per hour early. They'll be around 25 miles per hour with the wind gusts tomorrow, so a cool, breezy, yet sunny day is around the corner as we stay in the 50s for highs. And that chilly day tomorrow sets us up for possibly a freeze tomorrow night. That's why freeze watches and freeze warnings, if you're in Freeport or west, will be in effect for tomorrow night. So the upper 20s are likely, so widespread frost possible, and then of course we'll drop below freezing enough that the growing season may come to an end as of tomorrow night. But then after that, we're right back up again, not necessarily to the 80s, but we do warm up about 10 degrees above average by this weekend, and we hold on to lots of sunshine yet very dry weather. So outside of the few sprinkles we may pick up tonight, that could be about it when it comes to the forecast. You can see that reflected here. Nothing but sunshine then the rest of this week as temperatures slowly warm back up again. We'll be in the 70s starting Thursday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, no 80s around the corner, but we do stay warm for a stretch before cooling back off again by the middle of next week.